Hi, I'm Gabriel from Dry-Treat. Today we're going to show you how to use this fantastic cleaning product called Oxy-Klenza. It's a heavy-duty cleaner, mainly for outdoor areas, but you can use it indoors as well for things like your grass and your tiles inside. But it's particularly fantastic for outdoor areas like this, big patio areas, driveway areas, things that are black with mold and mildew. Areas that haven't been cleaned in 5 or 10 years, that look old, that you think you're going to have to rip up and you want to make them look new again. Oxy-Klenza is the way to do it. Okay, you need very simple tools for using Oxy-Klenza. You need a bucket with some hot water or warm water, and a tub of Oxy-Klenza, and a garden hose, and a scrubbing brush, or something on a stick like this so that you can scrub without having to get on your hands and knees. Step number 1. Oxy-Klenza is a powder, as we said before, and you want to just put about 2 scoops of it in the bucket, and just stir that around a bit. You can use a stick or just use your scrubbing brush or whatever you have handy. It dissolves very easily. Done. Once it's dissolved in there, you should hear a fizzing noise start to come out of the liquid. That's the product activating. That's the little oxygen bubble starting to come out of it. So, all we're going to do is saturate this area with the Oxy-Klenza. You can put it on with your deck scrubber if you like, but it doesn't really matter how you get it on there. Just want to... Okay, now, the most important thing is to let the Oxy-Klenza sit there for a few minutes and start to do its work and start to break down the moss and mildew that's on the surface. Now, it's a very hot day, which is why I'm sweating, and this area is probably going to dry really quickly, and you sort of need to keep it wet. So I've got some in the bucket there still. If this starts to dry out a bit in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to splash some more on it. Just keep it wet for about 10 minutes or so. Oxy-Klenza has been sitting on the surface for a good, say, 10 to 15 minutes, and it's had a chance to work on all that mold and grime that's been sitting there. Then we can give it a bit of a scrub with a deck scrubber like this, or at this stage, if you have a pressure washer, you can just put the pressure washer over it. The beautiful thing is that Oxy-Klenza will also kill all the moss and mildew, so when you run a pressure hose over it, it will actually come off much more easily. And also, it should take longer to grow back. It's killing all the spores that are in the pores of the material. So we're just going to give it a bit of a scrub. Right, before all this muck dries back onto the surface, now you just rinse it off. You can see